Welcome back to the channel. Today we take a trip back to the mid-90s to explore a true American workhorse, the 1994 GMC Sierra pickup. A truck built for durability, power, and everyday practicality, the 94 Sierra remains a favorite among collectors and workers alike. Let's dive into what made this pickup such a solid machine. Exterior. Starting with the exterior, the 1994 GMC Sierra comes from the GMT 400 generation, known for its clean, boxy yet modernized design. The front end features a bold chrome grille, squared headlights, and a muscular bumper that gives it that classic 90s truck personality. The strong body lines run clean from front to back, with extended cab and regular cab options providing flexibility for different needs. You also get that tall, planted stance that immediately tells you this truck was made to handle real work. With bed lengths ranging from short to long, and optional chrome trims or side moldings, the Sierra offered just the right mix of ruggedness and style. Interior. Moving to the interior, the 94 Sierra brought comfort into a segment that traditionally cared only about toughness. Inside, you'll find wide, supportive bench seats or optional captain's chairs depending on the trim. The dashboard layout is simple, functional, and extremely durable. Controls for climate, radio, and lights are placed within easy reach, making the cabin user-friendly even when wearing work gloves. Higher trims offered features like power windows, tilt steering, upgraded sound systems, and soft cloth upholstery, while the extended cab models provided extra rear seating and storage space. It's a truck interior built for long drives, tough shifts, and everything in between. Performance. Now for performance, which is where the 1994 Sierra truly proves its worth. GMC offered multiple engine options including a 4.3-liter V6, a 5.0-liter V8, a 5.7-liter V8, and the powerful 6.5-liter Detroit diesel V8. These engines delivered strong torque, smooth acceleration, and excellent towing capability for the time. Paired with either a 5-speed manual or a 4-speed automatic transmission, the Sierra gave drivers a dependable and confident driving experience. The suspension setup, independent front and leaf spring rear, provided a balance of comfort and hauling ability. Whether you're towing, hauling, or daily driving, the 1994 Sierra remained stable, predictable, and tough enough for heavy-duty tasks. In conclusion, the 1994 GMC Sierra pickup is more than just a truck, it's a symbol of dependable American engineering. With its bold exterior, comfortable interior, and versatile performance, it earned a reputation that still holds up today. If you're a fan of classic pickups or searching for a reliable work truck with vintage charm, the 94 Sierra is definitely worth appreciating. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more classic vehicle features.